Bought this little portable AC here. Here are the buttons. Turn it on. See here. You got 3 speeds here. You got 3 different speeds. I think I was pressing it too hard. That's what it was. It's barely touching. Now you want that little cool air to come out. Hit that. Ooh. Ooh. You feel a little mist there. It feels good. A little mist. Now let me show you where the ice water go. Just right here. You open this up. That's where the ice water go. You put the ice water in there. Just follow the instructions. Clip it down. Got your little portable. You got a little mist. I don't know if you can see the little mist coming out of there. Ah, nice.
Hey, so I bought this desktop air conditioning fan from Amazon. It comes with the manual, the fan itself, and a charger. So you do have to charge the fan for it to start. It comes with 4 very basic features: the turn on feature, the timing feature, the cooling feature, and the light feature. It has 7 different color ambient lights, fast cooling, quiet timing, shaking head air supply, 3-speed adjustment, and refrigeration spray. I use it for my room. I put it on my desk, and I really recommend it.
Great for my kids' sports games. Pretty easy to assemble. Just put the ice, cold water, and then you click. It's got the charger back here, and we turn it on. We can go higher, time, and it changes colors as well.